If I could only put an air purifier in one room, I think it would be my bedroom. If you think about it, we spend hours in there every single night, but we rarely think about the air we're breathing while we sleep. This is the Blueair Signature Medium, and I think this one's perfect size for bedrooms, home offices, nurseries, or any room where you spend a lot of time in your day. It uses 7 stages of filtration. That's going to remove up to 99.97% of airborne particles like dust, pollen. This piece right here is washable. This goes on the outside, and then your filter changes like this. Pull this to separate, and then it wraps around so all your airflow happens in here. But this is the air filter design that makes Blueair famous. It uses a technology called odor fence. That's going to give you up to 10 times more odor removal. So the room doesn't just have cleaner air, it actually feels fresher too. It has a dynamic display, and that automatically responds to the air quality. So you can actually monitor and control everything from the Blueair app. And this filter is designed to last up to twice as long as traditional filters. Now, Blueair has their products in over 50 million homes worldwide, so they almost never put these on sale, but they are running a discount for just a short time. So if you're ready to upgrade the room that you spend the most time in breathing every single day, I'm gonna put an orange shopping cart link on the video for you right down here so you can.